Okay, so with this question, we're looking at unit cost depreciation, which is a type of arithmetic sequence. And the sequence will go down by a common difference. So the common difference, which we often give the letter D, is actually the unit cost depreciation. So for a photocopier or a printing machine, you're looking at the number of dollars per page. That's the unit cost depreciation. So that's what our D is, our common difference. So they've told us that it was, V0 was 110,000. Okay, and they're saying at the end of its life, which was after 4 million pages, so that's V 4 million, it was worth 2,500. So in that time, it dropped by a considerable amount, and we need to work out how much each step in the sequence was worth. So to do that, you need to realize that the difference, which comes out as 107,500, divided by the 4 million, will give you the price per page. So that comes out as 0.026 875. Now we're doing a finance question, so everything should be in cents. So we're going to round to 2 decimal place. So that's basically 2 cents. Oh no, sorry, 3 cents. 3 cents per page. So I'm just going to write that in. So that's in dollars per page. So that's for part 1. For part 2, they want the machine value after 1.5 million pages. So now we've got the unit cost depreciation, we can do that pretty easily. So you're going to get your 1.5 million, so that's 1500 and then 3 more zeros, times I'm going to use the original decimal to make it more accurate. So 0.026875, and that will give me the total that it's gone down by. So I can just do times answer here. So that gives me 40,312.5. I'm just going to double check that that's definitely not got more decimals after it by copy and pasting it to the next line, and no, it doesn't. So it is 50 cents at the end there. So 40312.5. So because it's a finance question, you've got to put it in cents like that. Okay, next question. Annual depreciation if it does 750,000 pages per year. So pretty similar question to the one before. You're going to get your 750,000 and you're going to times it by your 0.026875. Okay, so that's looking at the annual depreciation there, 20,156.25. Okay, and once again that's in dollars. And this time it's annual depreciation, so you'd say per year. Alright, next bit, part B, find the machines after 5 years if it prints that much. Okay, so this is just timesing that by 5. Times 5 there. So I'm just going to go back into my calculator and do answer times 5. 107.81.25. Okay, once again you've got to spell out your answer as a financial answer. Last one, how many pages has the machine printed by the time it hits 70,000? So this is where you're honing on a new value of Vn, okay, a future value. Vn, future value. And so to do this, you need to use a rule. So in this case, the rule is Vn equals V0 minus 0.026875. 875 times n. So that n and that n are the same. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say, okay, we know what Vn is. We want Vn to be 70,000. So I'm going to say, okay, 70,000 equals 110,000 minus 0.026875 times n. And that can be solved using either simple algebra or using your algebra solve function on the CAS. So we're going to do that one. So we're going to go solve 70,000 equals 110,000 minus 0.026875 times n, comma n, and that will give me, it doesn't like, I think I put a comma in there, a dot in there, just put a comma there. Whew. So that's how many pages it will take. Now, is that the quickest? Yeah, that's what they want. They want the number of pages. So that's how many pages we get. So I'm just going to write that answer in. I'm just going to copy paste that in because it's quicker. Make that a bit bigger. And just got to think to yourself, what's that unit in? That's a whole number of pages. So you've got to delete that part there. It's going to be a whole number of pages. So it's going to be 1488372 pages. And that's it. Just going to stop that recording.